Hi guys, it's me Vedant. Let me know in the comments whether you like that intro and I should continue using it. For the people first time on the channel, hi guys, I'm Vedant, a student at Bitspirani, Hyderabad. Let's jump right in. Let's first understand what a stockbroker and the stock exchange really is. You can think of the stock exchange as an auction. That's right, it's a place where buyers and sellers meet and agree on a price, right? In case you weren't aware, we have two such stock exchanges in India. One is called the National Stock Exchange and the other the Bombay Stock Exchange. Well, we common people cannot directly go and bid in the stock exchange, and therefore we need a broker to do that on behalf of us. And since broker did this for us, he takes a fee called brokerage. Let us now focus on the brokers. There are two types of brokers. One is called the full stack or traditional broker and the other discount broker. Let us take the first one. The traditional broker or full stack broker is a broking firm that we approach and register with to take their service. This way we will actually have a person acting as our broker. We generally communicate our message through SMS or call and tell them whatever purchase or sale we want to make. Brokerage is charged every time you buy and sell. Brokerage used to be up to 1% of your total purchase or sale, which means you would have to give 1 rupee every time you bought or sell 100 rupees worth shares. However, now it has become in the range of 0.01% to 0.1%. It varies depending on which broking or broker you approach. Traditional brokers often attract potential customers by telling them that they give advice on which stocks to buy and sell, saying that they have a lot of experience and they have a team doing research for them. Now this might sound pretty good, but trust me, this gives rise to the biggest conflict of interest. By that I mean your interest and his interest don't really line up. Let's focus on our interest. Our interest is to maximize our return. Well, what is the interest of the broker? Well, his interest is in generating brokerage. That is how he makes income. And he makes brokerage every time you buy or sell. And since people often don't do their research, they just go on the tips and advices that these brokers give and they buy and sell frequently and end up making a loss. And these brokers also give such advice like buy today, sell tomorrow kind of tips. And if it was so simple to make money, trust me, majority wouldn't be losing money. And therefore never convert your stockbroker into a stock advisor, as his tendency is to give more advice so he can generate more brokerage. Just remember that he makes money whether you make a profit or not. Every time you buy and sell, he makes money, but not necessarily you. Most people have a busy life and therefore they cannot spend too much time thinking about investment, and therefore it is okay to approach an investment advisor, but do not turn your stockbroker into one. Now let's come to discounted brokers. These are online platforms and apps that act as a broker instead of actually a person being one. Well, some people do not trust them. Like any new technology is not trusted immediately. Therefore, they try to stick to the traditional brokers, which is absolutely fine. I'm not saying all traditional brokers are bad. Absolutely not. Some example of discount brokers would be Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow, Sharekhan, and so on. Zerodha is one of the first discount brokers and the market leader in this industry. Discount brokers have extremely low fees and they often provide us with free delivery, meaning you don't have to pay any brokerage on just buying a stock. And some of them offer no fees on buying and selling mutual funds or index funds. Index funds is also a type of mutual fund. I made a video on it. Make sure you go check it out. You can find the link in the description box. Discount brokers' charge has come to as low as 0.01%. Well, you might be wondering how are they making money if they are offering so many free services? Well, the majority of their income comes from intraday trading, basically buying and selling a stock within the same day. For this, the fees is higher. Also, buying and selling through an app becomes extremely convenient as compared to calling and asking someone to buy it continuously for you every single time. I'm not supporting any one broker. I'm just trying to give you the comparison. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on the Grow app which I use as my broker, so I can share the pros and cons from my experience and help you make a better decision. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me reach more people.